my name is Mark Evans. This is QuoteMe's Milestone2 status report, and I'm gonna go ahead and run down where we're at with this app, the state of the application, and some of the challenges, the accomplishments, if any change requests are needed, and what my plans are moving forward. Okay, so I think I got most of the functionality of the app working. Still messing around with some of the aesthetics of the design. I'm very confident with being able to have a finished product by the due date. We ran into some challenges that we will be able to overcome with the quote loading. Every time the app loads, we're gonna do it a different way, using some sorts of local storage or saving to the device. That way we're only calling that API call when the app is opened. I don't think it'll be a daily thing. Still, it's still something on the drawing board that's being worked out, but we will have a solution soon. Some of the challenges this week, I'll go ahead and show the app. We have a widget, and this widget is a little temperamental. I gotta look a little deeper into how to make this a pleasant experience for the user. Right now it's functional, it's just not functioning the way that we want, so this is something we're gonna look into and have a fix for. So let's open the application. So when it's open, it'll load up the new quote. I go to search, and if I just search with no field in there, it's going to give a list of all the applications, or give a list of all the quotes in the database, which aren't many. And from here, it's gonna I can narrow down the search. So if I search for all quotes by Mark, hit search, and you see the app. And some of the challenges from the first milestone, where you clicked on a particular app that you wanted to see in the detailed view, it was opening up a separate activity to show this. It was showing a single view quote view. I narrowed that down to go back to the home view, because that's essentially the same view, and we've resolved that problem. So if I click on QuoteMe, it populates here back on the home view, and everything's good. If we click save, you'll see the new, the saved quote will save here at the bottom. I rearranged how my grid view for the saved quotes will show, and this is still a work in progress, but this is something I'm playing around with. It's a lot better and less cluttered than it was before. It's a lot more functional. If we click on a particular saved quote, it'll take us here back to the home view showing the quote view, and you'll have the option to delete. So if I click delete, it'll send me back here to the saved, to open up some other applications. So if I come back here to the save, go to the bottom, that first quote that we saved has been deleted. This is all being implemented on the parse backend. So this might be something I do in week 4 for bonus points. Build a little CMS for you, the client, so you can enter in your own quotes in the database using some web-based interface, instead of just looking at the dummy database that I got. I'll build out a full interface for you to use to add quotes, but that'll be something extra. Come back to the home view, and so we can populate everything back, and whenever you search, it it turns the button into the save button, so that way the user can use this properly. If I come back here to my screen, you can see the widget, and it just shows a random quote of the day. And like I said, I'm going to expand on that a little bit, and that's pretty much it. But I don't have any change requests. Pretty much gave you some plans moving forward. I showed you where we were. It's working. Everything's working properly. The action bar is working right. If I want to take this particular quote, I can share it. In this case, it populates the quote into the message here. If you had Facebook or whatever other type of Flipboard, whatever, Twitter, you can do it that way too. You can share the quote. If you notice here, you can also navigate using the overflow contextual menu. So we say come here and we can share it, and it just populates right into that list. Like I said, got the action bar fully implemented, and we'll go ahead here and look at my milestones. So finish action bar for all the views. Did that. Tie in the API, that's already been done. Start the share functionality for all, that took a few lines of code, had that created. Create functionality for parse implementation, that's been implemented using the search database, and also when we save a particular quote for the grid view, parse is implemented. Finished the grid view for the save view. I did that. Overall, the aesthetics, the custom graphics and everything, that might be played with a little bit, but I do like where I'm at. Create a widget with a random quote, and that has been achieved also. So I met all my milestones. I think I went a little further, doing some extra graphics and such, tied in background, like I added some button selectors, so when you click it, it highlights a different press button. Mess with some graphics here, having a gradient behind here in the background. Click here, it highlights another selector. Same thing here with the grid view. You click it, it highlights in the background here as well. So, and getting a little further ahead of myself, so everything's coming along very well. So hopefully you enjoy where the application's at. I'll have more for you next week. In the meantime, take care, and that's it. Bye.